are going to buy an oil filter and oil in our local store, Walmart, guys. Where do you have your oil, car oil? Okay, thank you. Look at this. Everything packed up here. People getting ready for holidays. This is not it. This is not it. There's some tools here. Oh, that's not oil. This is not oil. We've got some spray cans here. That's for calipers, guys. That's the good stuff right there. I always use it if my calipers are rusted. It's good stuff. Cost what? $9 right there. Not bad. Expensive, but okay, we need oil. Boom. Not this one. Not this one. Right here. This is antifreeze. I think oil right here. This is our oil here. I use, guys, right here. I use this one. Mobile Extended Performance High Mileage, because I have a high miles, like 200,000 miles on my truck. So I use this oil. It's 0W20. That's the best what I use for it. It's $30 per 5 quarts. 5 quarts equals 4.7 liters, almost 5 liters. This right here. So this is a gut. I need 2 of those. 1, 2. We're grabbing those, and we need our filter. And I'm gonna show you the prices here on oil. So usually per 5 quarts, $30, 25, depends on oil. Pennzoil, $23, that's the cheapest one. What you have, 23, and Quaker State right there, $22.97. So we got our oil. We got this hunting stuff here. Actually, for winter, I might buy it.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you